Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a customer base with Facebook ads, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Start by defining your target audience. Identify demographics such as age, gender, and location. Consider interests and behaviors that align with your product or service. Next, create a Facebook Business Manager account if you don't have one. Once logged in, navigate to the Ads Manager. Click on the Create button to start a new campaign. Choose your campaign objective based on your goals. For building a customer base, consider options like lead generation or traffic. Once you've selected an objective, name your campaign. Move on to the ad set level to define your audience. Use the audience targeting options to narrow down your audience. Set a budget that fits your marketing strategy. Decide on a schedule for your ads. Now, proceed to the ad level to create your content. Select a format for your ad. Images, videos, or slideshows work well. Craft compelling ad copy that speaks to your audience's needs. Include a clear call to action that encourages engagement. Upload high-quality visuals that showcase your offering. Preview your ad to ensure it looks good across devices. Once satisfied, click Publish to launch your campaign. Monitor your ad performance using the Ads Manager. Adjust your targeting and ad copy based on the data you gather. Engage with comments and messages from potential customers. Continue refining your strategy to effectively build your customer base. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.